Netflix flickering on your TV is often caused by a software glitch, which can be corrected by restarting your TV. To do this, cut off the power supply by disconnecting it from the power source. Then hold the power button for approximately 60 seconds. After waiting 3 to 5 minutes, reconnect your TV to a power outlet, turn it on, and log back into Netflix to see if the flickering has stopped. Alternatively, connectivity issues may be the cause of the flickering, particularly if you use a streaming device. In this case, ensure you are using an HDMI cable to establish the connection, and try connecting the streaming device directly to the TV. Bypassing any sound systems, you can also try plugging the HDMI cable into a different port on your TV. If the issue persists, try replacing your HDMI cable or testing it on a different TV to determine whether the problem lies with the TV or the cable. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact an authorized technician for assistance.